if you're confused, it's okay to be confused and think that we rush, right? Because we're in this information era where there's so much information out there and everybody feels pressured to have to know what you gonna do. Make a decision, make a decision, make a decision. But when you're dealing with something that is as painful as infidelity, I always tell my clients it's okay to be in a processing season. It's okay to process exactly how you're feeling in this moment and what you're going through, honoring that. Because I think that so many times we get in this fast pace of like, okay, but I have to make a decision now. I have to make a decision now. And what I would say to you is that if you have the ability to be able to be in this processing season without your partner. So if there's a place that you can go, if you have children, if there's a place that you and your babies can go, but if there's a place that you can kind of go to separate yourself from your partner and allow yourself to process every single emotion, Tanya, that you talked about when we opened up, the shame, the anger, the betrayal, the abandonment. Like, I think a lot of the times too, because we're so hurt, we mask it with, "You know what? I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good." And you're not really good, and it's okay to not be really good. So I would say to that woman right now who just doesn't know what she wants to do, whether she wants to leave, whether she wants to stay, don't beat yourself up for not knowing. Take
Yeah.
some time to actually process what it is that you're feeling. The next thing to that I would say is really think about what the track record has been of your partner. Um, if they have been incrementally getting better and you see that they've been getting better, look at things like that. Or if they've been getting worse and you continue to be mistreated and emotionally abused. Um, when you talk about your feelings and concerns, are they holding themselves accountable? And I think that that's one of the biggest pieces to this situation is, does your partner hold themselves accountable? And are they empathetic to how you are feeling and giving you what you need to be able to heal within this time? Um, and so I would just say that, like, don't beat yourself up for not knowing. It's okay to be in a processing season right now because you're trying to figure it out. And when people come to you and they're like, "Girl, what you gonna do?" Guess what? It's okay for you to say, "Oh, I don't know. I'm processing everything right now." Somebody come to you and say, "Girl, you better than me because if a man cheat on me, I would leave." Tell them, "Hey, thank you for that, but right now I'm just kind of processing everything. I don't know if I'm gonna leave or I'm gonna stay, but right now I'm sitting with myself and processing what it is that's best for me." Don't allow people to feed in to the decision that you are going to make. Put them in their place, put those boundaries up, and be okay with processing just for right now.